Do you have a poor jump serve? Are you trying to improve your serve so that you make less mistakes and more points, more aces in a game? The jump serve is quite a difficult technique, and therefore today we're going to look at the main keys, how to get better, how to do the technique of the jump serve. Hit it! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Martin. Hope you have a great day. Today we're gonna look at the jump serve, the jump rotation serve, the serve where we try to do a lot of aces but mostly do a lot of mistakes, and therefore we're gonna take a look at the technique, how we can improve the success of our jump serve. There are lots of different serves in volleyball. We can do it from down, we can do it from up, and then we also can make a difference between serve with a jump and serve without jump, making a float serve, making a rotation serve, and jumping with both feet, jumping with one feet. But today we're going to look at the jump rotation serve, where we jump with both feet and make a strong serve to make a lot of pressure on our opponent.
So when we look at the jump serve today, we always consider a right-handed player, but for left-handed guys, of course, it's just the same, vice versa. So to break it down and keep it simple, we're going to look at the three keys: approach, swing, and the ball contact. And yes, the movement of the jump serve is very close to the attacking motion. In fact, it looks like a back row attack from the baseline. The main difference is that we don't get a set from the setter, but toss the ball for ourselves. So let's look at the approach and the toss, and of course a lot of variations, but we look at that specific technique, how most players are doing it. A lot of players have a routine, a ritual they do before they serve. You need to find that for yourself. But the technique starts by putting the ball in front of our chest with our hitting arm and have our right foot a little bit in front. From this position we are lowering our almost straight arm, lifting it up again, tossing the ball at least 3 meters up into the air and about 1 meter into the court, depending on how high we can jump. The ball has to be tossed in a plane to our approach in a straight line so that we have it just in our front and don't have to step aside. To have as much control as possible on the ball, your hand should guide the ball up to your shoulder height, especially because a good toss is almost half of the ace. And with a bad toss, it's almost impossible to make a good jump serve. So let's look at the feet, and same with attack. It's a left, right, left combinations. Here you can see the player starting with an additional step while lowering the ball, and then he goes full power with left, right, left combination. The first left step is for orientation, the second step with the right for gaining height, and the last step with the left for the balance, just as we already saw in the attacking video. While stepping right, both arms swing back straight and then come back front and up into the air to gain height and stability for the air and the swing movement. So for the swing movement, you can also look into the video about the strong attack. We are taking there a close-up view on how to move our arms. To keep it short and simple here, it's the same movement, and after swinging our arms up into the air, we take our right elbow, the elbow of our hitting arm, back so that the shoulders align and the elbow is in a straight line with our shoulders. The left arm can be put into the air to aim for the ball, for the target, and then we bring our elbow up and swing our hand high like a strong and powerful whip movement. What often looks so easy is in fact hard work, so keep on practicing and trust the process. So the point of ball contact depends on how high you can jump. The higher you are up in the air, the more you can take the ball in front of your body. And the smaller you are or the lower you are up into the air, you have to hit the ball over your shoulder or even behind your shoulder. We want to hit the ball with our full curved hand, with a lot of tension in our hand and a tight wrist. The fingers can be a little apart, so we have as much control on the ball as possible. If you want to know more about the ball contact, you can also watch the video about the strong attack. And if you want to see some exercises how to get better in jump serve, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And if you get problems or any more questions on how to perform the jump serve, feel free to comment in the comment section down below. I'm very happy to answer all your questions and help you by troubleshooting.
So as you can see, this is quite a difficult technique, very complex and not easy to execute, but still worth the training to make pressure on your opponents and have a nice and spectacular movement for yourself. If you want to learn more about volleyball techniques and maybe see some more exercises how to improve your skills, then maybe you want to subscribe, smash the little notification bell so you get notified when the next video is online. Hope to see you there. Have a great day. Bye bye.